What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rename your groups on your Battle.net account. So once you're on the Battle.net guys, simply click the chats and groups on the lower right hand side. Then from here you want to find the group that you want to rename. So let's take this group here as an example. I click on it, then click the drop down here towards your upper right hand side of that group, and here you have the group settings. So once you click on that, you can change the name of the group. So let me call this one group now X-Man, for example, and that's it. Once I'm done, click on save changes and the group name is now updated. And within a moment there, you will see that the group is updated, the name changes are changed. And if I click off, you will see that the name of the group is changed, right? So if you also want to change, for example, the avatar or the icon of the group, you can go ahead and go to the group settings again and instead click on edit or the picture there, and you can find something that you like. Once you find whatever you like, you can go ahead and just simple add that in, and guess what, the icon is also changed and you can save changes. So that's it guys, you can change the name, you can change the icon, whatever you want. That's how to change the name of your groups on Battle.net.